Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Or welcome new, if you've never been here before. Thanks for stopping by. Today I wanted to do a quick little update video on how the L'Oreal Colorista teal color is staying in my hair. As you can see, it's doing a very good job. I washed my hair 8 times, I think, and it says it lasts 7 to 10 washes, but I think this is gonna last a little bit longer than 7 to 10. Just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. Actually, I think it's gonna last quite a bit. The only parts that you can tell that are faded are my roots right here, which I don't know why. But they look darker, they just don't look teal anymore, which is very interesting to me. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely. So as I said, I've washed it multiple times, and I haven't been using cold water because normally when you dye your hair a bright color, you should wash it with cold if you want the color to last longer. But I just washed my hair normal because I wanted to. And this is how the color has lasted with using hot water. A few tips if you decide to try out this product is, number 1, every time you wash your hair, your shower is going to get covered in water that is teal. So beware of that. And the first time when I washed out the color, it did stain my shower, so I had to like bleach it or something. So be warned of that if you decide to do it and wash your hair in the shower. Number next is, if your hair is wet and you're wearing white or light, you're probably going to have teal on your clothes. And if you wear your hair wet to bed, your pillow is going to change colors. So, don't have wet hair. So, if your hair is going to be wet, wear a darker color on that day. And then if you have to have wet hair at night, I'd say put a towel down on your pillow or wear a cap that covers your hair or whatever. I just put a towel down on my pillow when I had to have somewhat wet hair. I always normally wash my hair in the morning, but I went on a little vacation to Alaska and I just took a shower whenever I was able to take it. So those are the few things to note if you decide to do this, which those things happen with all the bright color dyes that I have used in the past. Has always had colored water, and it gets on your clothes and pillowcase if it's wet. I want to say that I've been freaking loving this color. My curls look freaking awesome. I'm a real life mermaid slash elf if you've seen my other videos. The curls look really cute with the color, and I like the darkness of it. I like how it makes my hair darker. I would 100% recommend this product to someone who wants to have bun colored hair. But just like I said before, note that it is staying longer in my hair than it says, so you might have colored hair longer than you think if you think that it will come out in 7 to 10 washes. Because it hasn't, which I am fine with. The color actually looks quite like super vibrant for washing it that many times since I've done it. It pretty much looks the same besides roots. I'm amazed! I'm amazed! I'm amazed! So that's it for this little quick update. I also feel like it makes my curls look a lot shinier, which I did notice before when I used bright colors that make hair look shiny for some reason, which I really like. And that's it for this video. Just want to let you know how it's going. I love the product. It works amazingly. You should try it if you want to have colorful hair and not bleach your hair if you have brown hair. They have a few colors. Teal, burgundy, and I don't know. I think there's 2 other colors, blue and red or something. I'm not for sure. You'll have to look. Well, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. Look at these curls. They're so freaking cute. I love a good squishy curl. Too bad I have 8 gallons of new growth. Look at all that new growth on that. I need to do my new growth. Okay, goodbye.